Friends, first of all, let's start with the power on. When you first install your Windows 11 on your PC or laptop, it will just ask you for basic information like the location, like the Gmail, like the Microsoft sign in ID if you have any, like the basic stuff. It won't take you to a critical process like the Windows 10 has. And entering into the home page is also completely changed from the booting option. When you first starting the Windows 11 from the BIOS to the main Windows page, it will just show some animations of moving balls like animations in the desktop screen. The big change in Windows 11 is the taskbar. Yes, the icons are moved from left side to the middle side like the Mac OS and Apple OS has, but you can change them like the Windows 10 has at the left side by going to the settings, but leaving it in middle is very good, looking very good. And the next change is in the taskbar menu bar, you have an option called Workspace Bar. When you click on this bar, it will show you like the snip and sketch, the snipping tool, and Outlook for Windows 11 and paint option, and it also shows you Microsoft Whiteboard, Paint, 3D, Paint, and sticky notes and snipping tools. You can customize them very much. And one more important thing in this taskbar, that is the icons. The style of the icons and the animations when you open the icons in the taskbar menu is completely changed, and it is different from the Windows 10. And one more change in File Explorer. When we open the File Explorer by double clicking the this PC icon, the displaying icons of the quick access icons like the pictures, desktop, documents, downloads, music, and videos are completely changed. They are completely different from the Windows 10. These looks like very very animated in the Windows 11. Looks very cute. And when we click on the Windows button, not like the Windows 10, this is completely different from the Windows 10. This, when we click on this Windows button, it shows the softwares like this. This is completely unique and looks very different and looks very cool. So definitely try after installing the Windows 11. And in this Windows 11 you also have an option for the dark mode, which we don't have on the Windows 10. It might be have, but I don't use it often. When we turn on the dark mode in the Windows 11, it will also turns everything into dark, like we have a folder name, like we have a app software name in white color, that will turn into black, and the animations are also turned into black automatically. And one more thing that is removed from this Windows 11 compared to the Windows 10, that is tablet mode. Absolutely, friends, why do we need a tablet mode when we are using the PC in PC mode, right? And the big change is gestures, friends. Yes, gestures like the weather, clock, and a lot of animations are added to the Windows 11. This is a first glimpse of the Windows 11 I am showing you. And these gestures are also very unique in looking. You can also customize these gestures according to your wish. And one more change in this Windows 11 is the wallpapers. Yeah, this looks very extraordinary in our desktop view. These wallpapers are from the Windows 10 software update. We only got up to 6 to 7 wallpapers, I think. From this Windows 11 we also we can get at least 20 wallpapers, so that is a plus point. And this Windows 11 also got the features like you can also choose the different kind of keyboard layouts and different kind of fonts included in the Windows 11. When you go to the customization bar, I will show you in the later videos, but just hear me out. When you open the virtual machine connections like the mouse, keyboard, and speakers if you have, when you click on the keyboard button, you can also have an option for change the keyboard layout or input method. Here at that place you can choose different kind of fonts like the Italian and German, and like the bold and like the UI fonts. So a lot of customizations basically. And one more big change is the split screen which we used to have in mobile. This is also like the Windows 10, but it comes with a lot of unique features. That is, when you open a file explorer or when you open a tab in the desktop, it shows minimize and maximize and also a close buttons. When you click on this maximize button for 2 seconds, it will show you some 4 boxes. Those boxes are called taskbar split screen boxes. If you click on any of those two, three, 4 boxes, if you click on any of those boxes, customize you, it will minimizes the screen of that particular file or the explorer box, and it will also shows you the different kind of boxes in that layout, like this in this picture. So this is the major changes in this iPhone Windows 11 compared to the Windows 10. So if you want me to make a video about how can we install Windows 11 in Windows 10 or 8 PCs, I will make a video on it definitely after releasing of the Windows 10 Windows 11. So if this video helpful for you, if this video gives you some information, hit the subscribe button and also the like button please.